Hey everybody, Jeff Kasmer, Forex trader, network marketer with IMarketsLive, and over a 20-year career of making money online. And I'm here to do a short video. Something spurred me to do one today, and I wanted to address quitters. So that's really kind of my main topic here. So if you're not a quitter, you don't have to watch this video. If you're a quitter and have joined one opportunity and quit and refund and joined another one, quit and refund, join another one, quit and refund, this video is for you. Okay? So I have been online making money for 20 straight years now. It's amazing the journey that I've been on and what I have learned. And I had a customer who joined us in IMarketsLive. That is the #1 trading Forex educational program online available today. They just passed their 6th birthday. And it is a company that I am absolutely 100% thrilled about being involved in, as I used to know zero about Forex trading, and now I'm up to here and continuing to grow. Okay? And I had a customer who communicated back and forth for almost 2 months and probably knew a little bit about Forex just based on our conversations, and finally decided to take the plunge, okay, into our group. Now, for those that haven't seen any of my videos, we actually have the #1 team in the company, okay, the #1 team. And that's because we go beyond the call of duty. You just don't get an IML membership and you're by yourself. We actually hold your hand and work with you every step of the way to be successful, okay? And in the meantime, while you're learning how to trade Forex, and I, again, knew nothing, is we are able to provide trading trades, live trades for you, as well as a couple other avenues that we have set up to get live trades and make money as you are learning yourself how to trade. Okay? Now, iMarketsLive themselves have several avenues to do that. They have the swipetrades app, where it's a little app on the phone and you get an alert and you put in the trade. There's swipecoin for those that are interested in crypto. And while you're making money trading, you could be on IML TV and watch live traders talk about specific strategies. Or you can get the web analyzer and you hear a cha-ching on the software that tells you when there is a trade idea, and then you can look to see if it's a trade to take. Take the trade, close in profit, and you're good. And so, as well as many, many other techniques and strategies that we teach you. Now, in our specific group, okay, we go beyond the call of duty, and probably that's why, because we're #1. Okay. First thing is we do live webinars 3 days a week. 3. Okay. One of our administration actually does a watch list. Okay. A watch list is some pairs that we're watching, and we will alert everyone when we get in the trades. Okay. Okay. There's also live trading in our group now, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, okay, in the morning. We give you that time when you become a customer. And you'll see the panel of all the experts, and we will analyze the markets, and we take 2 or 3 trades every day. Do you know what we are? We started this 2 weeks ago. We're 25-0. Okay? Now, if that isn't incentive enough, I don't know what is. 25-0. Okay? Now, there's always risk in trading. Okay? Past results don't guarantee future profits. Okay? I always have to use that disclaimer. But we're 25-0. Okay? There's another person who is very big in the company that also calls out trades that you will have access to. And they are profitable every single week. Okay? So you have all these avenues, live webinars, live trading, a third way to get trades while you learn and use the tools of iMarketsLive to educate yourself with our help on trading Forex and to change your future and change your life. Okay? So anyway, I had this one person, young kid, I don't know how old, 21, 25, I don't know. Okay? And this happens. When you bring people into a company, and I brought thousands of people into a company, you will have, the first step, of course, is are they interested, and then get them on board, and then keep them motivated, and then they want to see results instantly, okay? It doesn't always work that way. So anyway, I had a person come on board, okay? Send me a couple questions, because what happens with our group is I can add you today to our group of potential customers. You'll see all of our administration. You'll see a lot of the great things that we're doing. And then if you're interested in signing up for the company, you get back to the person that added you to our group, and then you become a customer. Then we add you to the customer group. Okay, that's our team only. Okay. So I did all that. Added him to the team. He was a customer. Awesome. I'm very excited for you. I can't wait to help you. Answered a couple questions on what broker to use, because you have to choose a broker. And then tagged him in some videos, because what we do in our group is there is some additional training. We tell you step by step. Now, this is, by the way, this is outside of IMarketsLive. You realize that, right? It's outside of IMarketsLive. Okay. They have a lot of the same training, but we do as well. Okay, but we add a lot of things to our training. We just want to make sure you get into profit as soon as possible while you're learning different techniques and strategies, okay? So I did all that in the group. He's welcoming new people in the group. Boom. I get a message. It's not for me. I'd like my refund, okay? So I try to spur, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it that's stopping you, right? Because everybody has to go over a hump. Right? You just don't join a company and then all of a sudden you're a millionaire, right? There's going to be some adversity. Was he confused about setting up the broker? Was it the broker and the MetaTrader 4, which is, the platform that you make actual trades with, connecting the two, right? There's a few steps involved. What was it? His response was, I can get all this on YouTube. That's what he said. Okay. Now, full disclosure, I'm not convinced on that. Okay. I'm convinced one of two things. He realized he ran into that stumbling block trying to get things set up and wasn't willing to ask questions, got frustrated and said, I want my refund. Okay. Or he really believes that. Now, you can Google or put in YouTube anything, including how do you trade Forex. Okay. You can get thousands of videos. Thousands of videos. Everybody's got an opinion. Everybody's got a strategy. Everybody's got this. Okay. And there's no question you can learn some things about trading Forex. Okay. However, what are you going to do when you have a question? Okay. What are you going to do when they're asking, there's a software that they're using that you don't have? Okay. Or a platform that they have that you don't have, that you have to purchase, right? So with IMarketsLive, we have a web analyzer. We have a swipetrades app. You can't get access to that stuff unless you're a customer, right? Everything has a value to it, okay? People struggle with getting past the point of, yeah, you're going to have to pay a monthly fee to be a member of IMarketsLive. But as you start trading and as you start profiting, that's going away. You're not even going to miss that, right? But it's that stumbling block to get over it, okay? And that's a challenge for some. I'm here to tell you, get over it, okay? Any company you're in, there's going to be a monthly cost involved. And you have to learn something, okay? And that's okay. This is why our team is so wonderful, okay? Let me minimize this for a quick second. So, and by the way, I apologize if you got more lights on this video, but too late now. When you get inside of our group, look what we do. Okay, we set up even additional training units that you have to watch, that you have to learn, okay? And then you continue to progress. So these are all the units, right? With some strategies that we teach, okay, ourselves. We kind of piggyback IML. Okay, we give you additional resources, additional software, okay? All this when you become a team member, okay? Let me maximize. When you become a team member on our team. And of course, you probably saw a pop-up window. That's our administration, our team chat. And we're always bouncing ideas off how to help people. So that's what we do. So this person quit. I said, watch this. You can't find this on YouTube. The web analyzer, you can't get that on YouTube. Swipetrades, you can't get that on YouTube. Okay? Now, if you want to learn some basics on Forex, of course you can. Okay? Or if you go on Facebook and you go into the group section, oh, yeah, I guarantee it. I'll give you free signals. 3 free signals per day on a Telegram chat. You're right. They're going to give you 3 free signals. Do you know what you're doing? Do you know if they're profitable? Do you know if they're good trades? The experience of that person giving you those trades. Right? So you get them free. And then you know what's going to happen after free? It's going to want you to pay for it. Right? So here's the difference with IML. You are paying a fee. We are giving you additional resources to take trades so you can become profitable. But we're also educating you so someday down the road, I know most companies don't want to hear this. If you don't want to have the membership to IMarketsLive and you know how to trade Forex, then you don't need it. Right? We're about education. But we give you avenues to trade Forex and to give you trades by 7-figure traders to make money as you learn. Can you beat that? How can you beat that? So for those quitters out there, okay, because we do give you a 7-day trial. This person quit within the first 7 days. And I'm like, I'm telling you, okay? And this person even said, I even reached out and said, okay, in 2 weeks I'm going to reach out to you and I'm going to ask you how much money you made trading Forex on YouTube. I know the answer, but I'm going to reach out. And sometimes people are just young, right? They don't see the forest through the trees. I get it. I'm trying to help people. That's the only reason I do this. Man, I'm getting really dark in here with the sun. Jeez Louise. Hold on a second. Let me for just a second. All right, there we go. Sorry. I don't care if it's non-professional videos. My job's to help people. So anyway, basically, I know that person's not going to make any money trading Forex. Okay, there's all kinds of people that lose all the time. Okay, because they think this trade's perfect, then it goes the other way. We have IML TV with 7-figure traders doing live sessions all the time. And by the way, you don't have to just trade during the day. There's 3 markets. There's 3 trading times, right? So if you're in the States, you got New York, you got London. I mean, you've got the Asian. You can trade 5 days a week. And guess what? I trade crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all those 7 days, 24 hours a day. And if you have some of the tools that IML has to offer, they give you the trade ideas as you're learning. That you can't beat that. So anyway, that's it. That's my ramble for today. Don't quit. Okay? No matter what company you're in, if you believe in the company and the company provides great value, then you have to overcome those obstacles. Okay? That's it. If you want to get inside of our group so you can take a look at our team, #1 team in the company, okay? Reach me through Facebook, Jeff Casmer. You can reach me and I can add you to our group. If you like my videos, wrong one. Okay? Subscribe here, comment here. Give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. If that's what it is, that's what it is, okay? I'm giving my time to you. And that's pretty much it today. Till tomorrow. Take care.